Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how we can migrate all the older syntaxes of Angular control flow into new one just using one command. So many of you must be having projects with large number of files, and over there we might have hundreds of places where we have this ng for and ng if conditions. So how we can dynamically change that using one statement, so that every ng for ng if statements will be migrated to new syntax. So for that, what you need to do is you need to open your node command prompt, and within that you need to change your directory to your project directory, and then you just have to type one command as ng generate @angular /core this sign, and then you just have to mention control flow. Okay, once you hit enter, you will get one prompt to specify the directory. So it's working. It's taking some time. So now here it's mentioning the path of your project. So I will simply just say dot and slash, and then I will here mention yes, and it's giving some statement like it's in developer preview, but after this you should be able to see the new changes. So let's wait for that, and within matter of few seconds it's showing that our app.component HTML file is updated. So now just see, so now here you can see it is migrated to new syntax. So if you have large projects and you have lot of ng for ng if condition everywhere in your project, so with the help of this command you can replace all of those in single go. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.